Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share a new Kiwico crate with you that we just started, and it's the Atlas crate. And it's not necessarily new to Kiwico, it's newer than a lot of the other crates, but we haven't ever had this one before, so I'm really excited to unbox it with you. And if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like this, to give you curriculum ideas and organizational ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below. And let me tell you just a little bit about this box. So this one is called an Atlas crate, and it's a geography and culture crate for 6 to 11 years old. And I got it, it's about $20. It's like 19 something, I think. And I got a 3-month subscription. I was hesitant to get it. I've wanted to look at it for a long time and to see what it was like, but I also didn't want to spend the money on it. And we've been talking about the United States. And so I was like, okay, when we talk about the world, then we'll get it. But with all the Black Friday deals, I just couldn't help myself. It's a problem. I'm sure for a lot of you, it's a problem. But so I just did the 3-month subscription because I got 1 month free if you did for 3 months. I think you can get the first month 60% off if you just do month to month. So it's like $7.95. So that makes a really great Christmas present. Or if you do longer subscriptions, I think for 12 months, you can get up to 4 months free, and those go till like January 1st, I believe. So there's a lot of really good deals. So that's why I thought I'd try it out and let you guys know what I think for a few months and see if it's something that would be good to supplement if you're talking about world geography and stuff like that, or if it can relate also more to United States history, geography type stuff. I'm not really sure. So let's get in here and see what it's like. So this one first says it's the world, and learn about maps, build your own globe, and start exploring the world. Okay, so that's what it says right there. And then when you open it, it has a little hello thing that has a whole bunch of different languages on it of how to say hello. So that's what this is, and it's actually like a little envelope. So let me see if I can get this open. So we open this up, and this is different. I haven't seen something like this before. So this says, welcome to Atlas crate. And then it has some things you'll do in this crate down here. And in here, there's some little cards. I'm not exactly sure what they all contain, but we will go through them and let you know. So there's that card. So that's what that is. So I'll have to let you know more about it when we look through it more. And then we have, looks like instructions for how to make your own spinning globe in here. So another thing I was hesitant about getting this too for my kids is because I have 4 kids, and it's easy to do like their individual crates for them. But when we do something as a group and there's just like one activity, that's a little bit harder for them to all be okay with having to share an activity. So we'll see how it goes, and if they fight about it or what, I don't know. Like, it is geared a little bit more towards my older kids because I have a 6 and an almost 8-year-old. And so we'll see if the younger kids participate or not. So that's how you can make your globe. And then this looks like it talks about your adventure book, or it says make your own adventure book. I'm not really sure. And then has this picture on the back, and this is a booklet as well. So these are all new things to me, so I don't know what to expect, but that's, whoops, I'm always dropping stuff. Okay, so that's what it looks like once you open it up in there. And those were stickers, I think. Yeah, so these are all of the stickers to go on our globe. And this is bigger than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. In the picture, it looks kind of teeny. So here's what the globe looks like. And then some more pieces for our globe. And then this might be for the notebook, I'm not really sure. And then it has like a map of the world on the back. And then this, I don't know what this is. It says Great Big World Map Challenge. So I think each month they highlight a different part of the world or a different country. Again, I'm not extremely positive about this, but so this, I think, gives you some things to explore the world, or at least become familiar with it. I will let you know more again after we study it. And then it also comes with a big map. which is really great. I love having these big maps, and this one looks super detailed. I won't be able to show you it super well. It's huge, but as you can see, it has like all the little countries lined out on all the continents, which is nice, except the United States. You have to study the United States to get all those outlines. But over here, these, all of Africa and all of Europe, they're extremely detailed. So that looks really nice. So that's what's in here. I'm excited to discover what it's all about, and then also to see what next month brings, because I just don't know what to expect. But I really wanted to review it just so you guys could know if it would be a good resource to use for geography in your house. And so I'm gonna let my kids get at it. I'm gonna look more at it and read it, and then we will get back to you and let you know how it goes. Hi, and I'm back. We just finished going through our Atlas crate a little bit more, and so now I understand it a little bit better, and we had a lot of fun doing the crafts in it. We haven't completed everything that came in it, and we're excited to do those things, but I wanted to show you my first thoughts about it, tell you my first thoughts, not show you because that would be awkward, but I wanted to tell you my first thoughts about it and just show you the few crafts we did. And we ended up doing this more as a group project with all my kids, and it actually worked out pretty well. And so that's always an option. It doesn't have to just be for an individual child. You could do it as a group. And so this one allowed you to make this cute little globe right here. So they all just kind of took turns putting on the stickers of the globe. And then it also gives you this cute little heart that you can mark where you live on it. And I thought it was cool. So on this side, you can see the degrees over here. So it shows that the earth is tilted, and you can talk about how it's tilted as it rotates around the sun. And it talks about that a little bit here in the pamphlet. So that's something that you can mention as you go through it. And then we also got to make this little booklet that's gonna hold all the cards. So every month there's some cards that come. So this month was all about the continents. So it goes through and talks about them, gives some facts about them, and has some more stuff on the back about each of the continents. And so depending on, I don't know what country we're gonna get next month, but I've seen some for like Peru, and you'll get some cards for Peru, and you might get an activity or a game or some type of food they eat there, and that'll all be on cards, and you can just keep adding it to your booklet and just undo the binding right here and put the new cards in. So that's really cool. So when you're all done, you'll have this big booklet of a whole bunch of things that are going on in the world, and they can review it, or you guys can look through it together or whatever. So, and each country also comes with a little sticker badge. So you can put that at the back of your booklet showing that, oh, we've visited that country. So I thought that was really neat. And then something we haven't done yet, but I'm looking forward to doing it, in this little pamphlet it gave us, I folded it in half, but it lists some of the places in the world. So this says that which continent is the flattest of them all, and it gives you the latitude and longitude right here, if you can see that. And so then the map that they sent, I'm not gonna fold it all out because it's huge, but it has all the latitudes and longitudes up here and down the sides. And so you can go and look for them. So I thought that was really cool. I haven't seen this in some of the other types of geography lessons that we've done through mail. So Little Passports is one of them, and I didn't see that in theirs. So I'm really excited to be able to look through that with my kids and talk to them about what's latitude, what's longitude. And it allows you to explore some of the things of the world. It talks about some of the 7 wonders of the world here. So there's a lot of really good information so far. So I'm really excited to get one for the country, so I can look and see what that's gonna be like and what they have in store for us, what kind of crafts and food and things like that, and to tell you more about it. And so far, I think the Atlas crate is a great supplement for doing geography and world geography specifically, and it would be a lot of fun for a group or for an individual child. And so if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it, and we will see you next time.